Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to another budget video. I'm really excited about today because we are doing our savings challenge update for November. We only have a little bit of this year left, so we're going to see where we are for both challenges. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoy, stick around and subscribe. But I'm currently doing two challenges, saving challenges for 2021, and it's the 100 envelope savings challenge, and then I'm also doing the 52-week savings challenge. So these are the two that I'm doing for this year, and obviously the year is almost over, so you can see we are almost done. But I am working on a bunch of new savings challenges for 2021, so I will be releasing those and that video probably within the next week or two, so stay tuned for that. Let's just jump right in and get started. Okay, let's organize our money first, and then we'll go from there. So we're just gonna make sure all of them are facing the same direction. And I honestly can't remember. I really should look at my bank slip, but I can't remember how much this is supposed to be. Oh, you know what? I really should double check because we want the correct amount. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just double checked and we should have $460 for our savings challenge for both the 100 envelope and the 52-week challenge. So let's just make sure that's how much we have. 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300. Okay, 320, 330, 335, 40, 45. Okay, oh my gosh, I just freaked out. I was missing a $100 bill. So it was in the envelope. Okay, we gotta do this over. I'm so sorry that I'm all over the place, you guys. I'm just a little bit off for November if you've seen my previous budget videos. So 100, 50, 250, 350, $400. Okay, and 20, 430, 35, 40, 45, 445, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. Thank goodness I double checked. Again, if you are new, you can find these challenges on my website if you want a printable to just keep track if you're like me. And then this is my budget binder here. You can also find these bundles and the cash envelopes on the website as well in my shop. So I'm just going to go to the 52-week challenge envelope right here. And this is where I just store all the money for this particular challenge. So this one's really easy. You stuff a certain number every single week, once a week, really simple. I like to do mine with you guys at the end of the month. So for the month of November, there's 4 weeks. So the 4 numbers we're going to do is 44, 45, 46, and 47. So we're just going to add those up really quick. 44, 45, 46, 47. So $182 will be going into the 52-week savings challenge for the month of November. Let's also just check that off while we're here. 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay? We need, again, 100, 50, 70, 80, 182. And then I'm just going to move these over. Okay, so again, 150, 70, 80, 182. All right. So let's take out what we have in the envelope, and oh, it's getting pretty stuffed. But what's great about these envelopes is that you can put a decent amount in them and they'll still be fine. Okay. So let's organize what's going in. We're putting in 182. There's a 50. And then we have our ones. I am so all over the place. And then our 10. Okay. So let's see what we have in our envelope. According to the tracker, we should have about $1,128. So let's see if that's where we're coming in. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 500, 50, 650, 750, 800, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, so we have over that amount because, again, I think previous months we have stuffed a little bit more. So we have $1,135 in the 52-week savings challenge. I am just so flippin' excited. I cannot wait until December, which is coming up very soon, where we can unstuff all of this money, and then I'm going to show you guys what I do with it. Again, I'm stoked. I'm really, really excited to unstuff both of the challenges. So now we're going to look at the 100 envelope challenge. If you've been following me for a while, then you already know that this is how I store my envelopes. This is how I have them. I do have this little pink post-it as a divider where these envelopes are completely stuffed and finished, and these over here are the ones that are empty. So we're going to find the envelopes that we are stuffing today. So if you've been following my budget journey every single month, then you would know the past month or so, I haven't been able to stuff the envelopes that you should be stuffing. With the 100 envelope challenge, you're supposed to stuff 2 envelopes every single week. So for November, I should be stuffing 8 envelopes because there's 4 weeks in November, 2 a week. 2 times 4 is 8. But similar to last month, to be safe for November, I did under budget. So instead of stuffing 8 this month, I'm only stuffing, 5. So we're gonna stuff 53, 54, 56, 57, and 58. We're going to finish off the row of 50s. That's what we're doing for November. It looks like we're not going to be finishing for December, but I've already decided, you guys, that, you know, this was a yearly challenge for me. It's called a challenge for a reason, and wherever I'm at the end of December, I'm just going to accept it. I'm most likely not going to finish this challenge completely. You know, I want to keep this realistic for you guys because I don't want anybody to feel bad if they also can't finish a challenge in time. But I'm just, yeah, whatever I have done at the end of the year, that's what we're going to go with. But anyway, so we need 53, all the 50s. So any of the 50s, so there's 1. So 53. Again, I'm really excited about this challenge as well, even though it doesn't look like I'm going to actually complete it. But you know what? I've accepted it, and it's fine. I've saved so much money. There is so much money saved in these envelopes, you guys. So I'm really excited to just unstuff all of these with you. And again, show you guys how I'm going to spend or allocate it. All right, so 53. It's going in there. So we'll just highlight that. Okay, 54, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going in here. And 55, 56. Okay. And then 55. 6, 7. Okay. And then the last one we have is 58, 55, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's move these up here. All right. So we are completely done with the rows of 50. So let's just do those. So exciting, you guys. Again, we do have quite a few envelopes still left. but they're big ones, so they're a little bit harder. I think I'm definitely going to be able to do the 60s row in December, and hopefully I'll hit a few more. But yes, I will be unstuffing this at the end of December. And I'm really excited to do it with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around. And don't forget, I will be releasing the new challenges that I'll be doing for 2022. So stay tuned for that. I'm really, really excited about it. And I'm excited to share those with you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!